We know that winter officially started on Sunday, but even though it certainly doesn't feel like it, things are already set to become winter-like again in less than a week, so enjoy.
Yeah, don't be fooled by the 70 degrees we're feeling today and tomorrow. Chris has a winter precipitation refresher to raise our weather IQ before winter season makes its real return.
Winter is officially here, so now it's time for a crash course on winter precipitation types. Let's raise that weather IQ. Let's start with the obvious, snow. We all know what snow is, but did you know the consistency of snow depends on how cold it is from the ground to thousands of feet above our heads? Snow forms when the entire atmosphere stays below freezing. Fluffy, powdery flakes form when it's cold, and heavier, wetter snow happens when temperatures are closer to 32 degrees. Note, but how a snowflake looks really depends on temperature and the level of humidity. When temperatures are below 10 degrees, you have snowflakes that are the most stellar, that look like this. Sleet is snow that melts partially as it falls, then refreezes before hitting the ground. It bounces like popcorn off your windshield and piles up fast. Stat alert! Sleet actually accumulates faster than snow and can often make driving more treacherous. Freezing rain. Freezing rain has the reputation to be the most treacherous. Snow melts into super cold rain, then freezes on contact with below freezing surfaces. A half inch of accumulated ice can add around 500 pounds to power lines and make driving impossible. Last on the list is graupel. This is also known as soft hail. Tiny snow pellets form in strong updrafts. Super cooled water droplets in a cloud freeze onto the falling snowflake, gradually coating in this rime ice until it becomes a small ice pellet that can easily be crushed in your fingers. So be safe this winter, especially when we're up here saying there's a mixed bag of wintry precipitation. I'm meteorologist Chris Mulcahy with another Weather IQ. And part of that video that we were talking about, graupel, actually just happened a couple of weeks ago right here in Mooresville. That's where we got a video from our own Hank Lee. His wife took that video. Now, cold weather advisory. I want to go through a couple of advisories that we're likely going to see on and off through this winter. Whenever the Charlotte area, so it's different from place to place, it will feel like it's 10 degrees or less, we're going to have a cold weather advisory. There's another one called extreme cold warning. It has to be 0 or less. So whenever there's negative value wind chills, we're going to have one of these. And of course, the winter weather advisory, even if we have a chance for an inch of snow or a light accumulation of ice, we can have one of those. Anytime there's a chance for over 3 inches, it's upgraded to a winter storm warning. So those are things that not going to be seeing anytime soon, but that will change. Now, I do want to talk about some 2025 weather ranks. Officially, since we've been so warm recently, we just barely tied for the 8th warmest year on record. Last year, 2024 actually finished as the #1 spot. We're not going to come anywhere close to that, but the recent warm up that we have over the next few days is likely going to solidify this spot here. So yeah, another year in the top 10.